Hey, my name is Coster, and I'm a student advisor at the first year engineering office. Today, I will be showing you how to download and install Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is a fantastic application and tool that allows students to draft ideas, draw pictures, write notes, and share them with other people. If you're looking for a great digital note taking application, we highly recommend this one. OneNote works on the concept of the cloud. All notebooks and pages within it are stored on OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage. From there, using the OneNote application, you can access your notebooks anytime on any device. At the end of these video tutorials, you will be able to install OneNote, share notebooks, and understand how to use it in an effective way. Part 1. OneNote installation for Windows and Mac. Windows 10 installation. This version of OneNote should be installed by default on Windows 10 computers. But if it's not, use the following steps. Quick tip: to check your installation, press the Windows Home key and search OneNote. Step 1. Acquiring and installing Microsoft software through Ryerson. If you do not have any Microsoft software, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you can acquire it from Ryerson using the following link. Once you land on this page, navigate to the subheading Software Available to All Ryerson Community. Then click Expand Office 365 Education. As stated in the download instructions, the user is to log on to the MS portal using their my.ryerson email and password. When you log in to the MS portal, you will be greeted with the following page. Click on Install Office and the download process will begin. Run through the installation process. Afterwards, you will have the Office 365 applications available for all Ryerson students. Step 2. Setting up OneNote for Windows 10 with your Ryerson account. Once your installation is complete, launch OneNote. Either your personal Microsoft account will be logged in automatically to the OneNote application, or no user is logged in. In the event that no user is logged in, you will be prompted to sign into Microsoft. Enter your my.ryerson email. Installing OneNote for Mac. Before we begin, make sure you have Mac OS 10.14 installed. OneNote cannot be installed if you do not have Mac OS 10.14 or higher due to installation requirement. Quick tip: to check your system OS, do the following. Click the Apple icon on the top left corner from the drop-down menu, click About This Mac. Make sure the first tab, Overview, is selected. Your Mac OS name and version number will be displayed. Installing through the Mac App Store. To open up the Mac App Store, if you can't find it, click the Launchpad icon at the bottom of the screen and search App Store. Once you're in the App Store, in the search column, type OneNote. To download and install, click the Get icon. After installation is complete, launch OneNote. Step 2. Ensure you're logged in to your Microsoft account. Just like mentioned previously, sign in using your my.ryerson login credentials. If you do not have a Ryerson account, you can sign in using your personal Microsoft account. You can add your Ryerson account later once you receive it. Please note, all previous requirements are still needed. Having the correct Mac OS version is important and may keep you from installing OneNote on your computer. Before proceeding, it's also important to know that OneNote for Mac stores your notebooks on OneDrive, Microsoft's online cloud storage. Part 2. Sharing notebooks with others. Navigate to the menu bar and click on File. Then select New Notebook. Choose a color for your notebook, then type a name for the new notebook in the name box. If you already have your notebook created, you can skip this step. Step 2. Sharing a notebook. There are several methods to sharing your notebook. Use the first option, Send Link to Notebook, to send a link of your notebook to specific individuals by typing their name or their email addresses. Use the second option, Copy Link to Notebook, to create a shareable link of your notebook. Step 3. Syncing changes made to your notebook. To sync your notebook, navigate to the menu bar and click on File. Then select Sync this notebook. Part 3. Organizing notebooks. How can I organize my notes better? This is something all students have thought about at one point or another. This tip sheet will discuss the advantages of using a digital note-taking tool. OneNote's hierarchy system has multiple layers. The top level layer for organizing your notes is through creating notebooks. This simulates the feeling of having multiple physical notebooks. Within a notebook, different sections can be created. Sections allow you to organize your notes just like a textbook. The section's name can be anything you want it to represent. In this following example, the sections were named according to the week the notes were taken. Sections can be grouped into section groups. This allows you to group sections like lecture notes, labs, and assignments, and practice questions separately. The following example shows the creation of a section group. Within each section, pages can be created and named. Pages allow you to be more specific about what exists within it. They act like a textbook subsection. Examples of using this would be splitting lecture notes into different parts and splitting a chapter's practice questions. Part 4. Drawing and Toolbar Features. An advantage of using a digital note-taking tool is that you have a vast amount of different pen and highlighter options for your use. This ranges from a variety of colors to the various ink thickness options for the pen tool. This can easily help you annotate your notes and make the main points pop by either writing important stuff with a different color and ink thickness or by using different highlighting colors. A powerful annotating tool OneNote has to offer is the tag tool. It allows you to highlight and accentuate important points using specific tags. The information highlighted with a tag can easily be found by clicking Used in this notebook option. You can print your notes onto OneNote and annotate important stuff, just like you would if you were to print out the notes on paper. The following step demonstrates how one would print a document onto OneNote.